Are your Discord Chat Exporter core engine application failing because of the Discord Chat Exporter module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. To start the walkthrough for Discord Chat Exporter module, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Discord Chat Exporter module, the core execution library for Discord chat exporting tools. It manages the localized parsing of JSON-based message logs and the conversion to HTML or TXT formats. If missing, the application will report an assembly load failure, preventing any message retrieval from the Discord API. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. The presence of Discord Chat Exporter module DLL is mandatory for Discord Chat Exporter core engine to initialize the engine and a full reinstallation of your main application suite. With the error, we'll resolve the error by deploying a fresh copy of the library. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Discord Chat Exporter module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. A quick safety warning: never download files like Discord Chat Exporter module DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining Discord Chat Exporter module. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Discord Chat Exporter module or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.